As promised, no, before we started the conference, we decided to get neutral referees from AVC. So these are international referees, one from Thailand and one from Hong Kong. Si Mr. Adam Wong from Hong Kong and then Miss Sari. Medyo hirap i-pronounce yung name. Miss Sari from Thailand. Ayun, and then they'll be helping us with officiating. So the good thing about this is wala silang kilalang team. Wala silang kilalang coach. I think isa kilala si Coach Tai, but that's about it. So maganda is neutral referees to. I think hopefully the teams would see that wala tayong pinapanigan, nothing, no. So yun. Na to show na hindi for one, gusto natin maging world class. I mean, we're hoping na we go to that level. And at the same time, these neutral referees is wala silang kilalang team. So in terms of may pinapanigan ba or wala naman tayo pinapanigan, but I hope they don't get that notion, and then that's why we brought them in to reinforce na wala tayong pinapanigan.